Huichol beading art is a popular and colorful Mexican tradition practiced by the Huichol or Huirrárica indigenous people. If you want to learn how to make your own, keep watching. Hi, my name is Mario and I will teach you how to make Huichol beading art using air drying clay, colorful beads and other easily accessible tools. The materials you will need are air drying clay, colorful beads for arts and crafts, toothpicks or an awl if you have one, Pritt Adhesive stick or you can get some beeswax, crafts varnish, a brush, a dough roller, a spatula or knife, and water. I will first show you the process of sculpting a simple animal shape with the clay. For this tutorial we will make a turtle. I start by using the dough roller to flatten my clay and chose to make it close to 1 cm thick. Then I use my spatula to roughly sketch the silhouette of my turtle, and once happy with it, I proceed to cut the shape. Once this is done, I make a small ball with some more clay and I stick it to the area where the shell is. I moisten it a bit to make sure it sticks well to the base. Then I shape it using my fingers and refine all the edges. You can use the spatula as well to eliminate the seams where the two pieces of clay meet. Once our turtle is done, we have to leave it to dry for about 24 hours. After the turtle fully dries up, we can start the beading process. For this, I put a very generous amount of Pritt in a big area of my turtle. We want to cover as much as possible because after we put some beads, it can get a bit tricky to add extra adhesive and avoid pushing our already glued design. Then, using a toothpick with the tip a bit flattened, I start picking up beads of the color I want and begin gluing them to the turtle. I use another toothpick to help me stick the beads nicely. If you have an awl, you can follow the same process. Sometimes I find it easier to press the bead against the turtle and twist the toothpick a bit to help release the bead. After placing each bead, you can use your fingers to push them gently to make sure they are firmly glued. There will be areas where you don't have enough adhesive. If they are small and between beads you've already placed, you can use the toothpick to grab some adhesive and smear it against the area of your figure that needs it. This will help you avoid pushing and disrupting your already made design. This process can take a while and you don't have to finish everything in one go. Feel free to experiment with the designs and have fun with it. If you want, you can use a pencil to sketch the patterns you want to make in advance as well. You can apply some varnish to the finished areas using your brush and leave it a few minutes to dry. This will reinforce the binding of the beads to the figure so they don't fall that easily in the future. I recommend giving it 2 coats. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please show us your creation by posting on social media and tagging us. You can find the links to Gorgi Collective social media in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure to follow us and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.